Today, I'd like to introduce you to a wonderful new plant. This is the Limelight hydrangea. It's a Louisiana Super Plant selection. The LSU AgCenter has found that it performs so well in our research plots and in landscapes that we've named it a really special plant, reliable and wonderful for Louisiana landscapes. Now, the Limelight hydrangea is a different species from the garden hydrangeas we've grown for so many years. These garden hydrangeas tend to bloom in May. You can see many of them are already fading out their flowers. And they're shorter, bushy, rounded shrubs. They bloom on the growth they made this summer before. So we have to be careful not to prune them during the spring or winter. These are wonderful plants, but the paniculatas are a different species altogether. Limelight is Hydrangea paniculata. And these paniculata hydrangeas have different flower head shapes. Notice this cone shape to this flower head here, and that's what gives them their species name. Limelight is a wonderful cultivar of the paniculata hydrangeas. Notice it's got lots of flowers on it. They stay a light lime green for a long period of time, and then as they begin to age, they fade a little bit, and finally they'll fade to a creamy whitish color, and then finally as the late summer progresses, they'll turn a pink to a rosy red color. So the flower heads persist over a long period of time, really creating a great show for you. These hydrangeas grow in the sun. They love to grow in sunny locations. Make sure it's well drained, and don't overwater them. They're prone to root rot if you keep them too wet. Prune them in the spring before the new growth begins. So think about adding a Louisiana Super Plant selection, the Limelight hydrangea, to your landscape. It'll be a wonderful display. Forget it growing. I'm Dan Gill with the LSU AgCenter.